So we already know what we got to do for Chinese New Year. What do we do in between now and February 17th? I have a checklist for you because I like checklists. So let's go over some ideas of things that you could be doing right now to prepare yourself for February 17th so you're not scrambling. Even for me, I wrote this in the beginning of January and I was like, I'm going to do so much. I have done maybe 1% of what I said I was going to do, but let's get into this list. So first off, it's decluttering physically your entire house, cleaning out your closet, cleaning out your shelves, cleaning out your books, any of the papers, anything that you don't need anymore, you got to get rid of it. We are clearing out the energy. It's especially important to clean out the entryway of our house because that's where our luck comes in and out. I like to think about 3 categories. You trash it, you donate it, or you sell it. And also deep cleaning everything as well, getting rid of all the dust, vacuuming, sweeping up the floors. Next, we're gonna also digitally declutter. So that means unsubscribing from your email. And I know these are things that we probably have already started doing in the beginning of this month. I feel like I still need to do that. I embarrassingly have 11,000 screenshots and I also have to back up my videos. Delete anything that you don't need on your phone, apps, things like that. Just declutter it. Energetically wise, I feel like our life is so on the physical, but it's also now on the digital plane too. Clearing anything out in that way. Like some people also clear out their following. You want to fix anything that's broken in your house. For example, leaky pipes. You're going to be leaking your finances, so try to get that fixed before the Chinese New Year. If anything is really broken in your home and it's like beyond repairing it, make sure to throw it out of your house. Having broken energy in your house, dead energy, dead plants, or even fake plants is not actually good for our home. Plan your routines. It's going to be a fast-paced year. That means now is like the time to lock down what is your routine in order to take care of your health because things are going to be fast moving. You don't want to neglect certain things. Plan your health routine. How are you going to work out? How are you going to eat well? When are you going to be able to do this in your schedule? And softly incorporate it. I've been saying softly incorporate it since December until now. We kind of get a second chance with this New Year's because it's our second New Year of the year. I've been doing that slowly for planning my routine. You can make lists. This is what I'm doing for my routine now. And this is the routines that I would like or the things that I would like to add into my routine. The next one is focus on your direction. I want to say setting your goals, but also it's just where are you going in this year of the horse? Yes, it's fast momentum and everybody's telling you that, but where are you going? And I think this is also a good time to reflect on what did you shed from this previous year? What do you need to let go of before the new year? And how can you do that? A lot of people are like, yes, you're going to be shedding until the last minute, but I feel like the shedding should be slowing down and it should be at a time where you're really reflecting and making peace with the things you let go of. You want to deal with things head on. I know that in our culture, we tend to stuff grief down. We let things go, but we don't really let it go in our hearts. You know what I mean? It's really important for us to accept things and really let things go for real. Book your hair appointments. Get your haircuts now. Schedule that stuff in advance. Our hair also has stagnant energy, and so that's why we trim it before the new year. Settle your debts. So if you owe people money, pay them back if you can. If you can't pay all of your debts, that's fine, but just if you can pay off what you can, do that so you can have a financial clean slate. The last one is fill up the fridge, but I feel like this is something that you want to do closer to the date of Chinese New Year so you don't have food going to waste. But typically we want to have a full refrigerator because it means that we're going to have a full year. I know that sounds like a lot, but I want you to take a breather. We have plenty of time and you want to take things like one step at a time. I've been telling myself this and then I ended up procrastinating. So let's just get ready together. Do one shelf of my closet or one drawer full of my stuff and how to clean that up and stuff, and just focus on one thing at a time. Decluttering is the main thing because you want to have fresh energy coming into your home. How we do that is getting rid of the old stagnant energy. So yeah, I hope this helped.